Please take it.
So, a very wonderful morning to everyone present over here. To our respected principal ma'am, our respected teachers, and all of our dear friends present over here. Today, I sent someone Bashim Kabak. What did you say me? A student? Actually, not today. I'm a learner from the fun experiments with science group. Yes. Have you ever heard the name of science? Yes. Some people they believe science, science, so boring. But have you ever thought of its glance, of its experience, of its magic? हर magic के पीछे logic होता है, but have you ever heard? What is that logic? Sometimes the magics are made of science. Science is also a great fun. So today I and my teammates, Nilesh, then another my friend Ankita. So all of us are here to let you all know a slight glance of the power of science, magic of science, and a little bit fun with science. So the first question from my side to every one of you, maybe teachers, maybe anybody. The question is that have you ever visited a fair? Literally translates to Mela. कभी भी मेले पर गए हैं? That's a very common question and all of us know. हम मेले जाते हैं घूमने. But when we enjoy the rides, when we play, energy loss, क्या करें? Energy loss हो गया पूरा. अब energy backups या फिर recharges के लिए खाना, food, a great point. So everybody likes different kinds of food. Some like we say na golgappa, puchka, some like chaat, many things. Some like spring rolls, Chinese. But have you ever heard of smoky biscuits? Can those who know that what are these smoky biscuits? Can they just raise their hand from the audience? Those who know what are smoky biscuits, could they please raise their hands? Thank you very much. So, smoky biscuits. So if we talk about its preparation, some wafer kind of biscuits and the fun magic of science. Yes, liquid nitrogen. So please give a big round of applause for my friend Nilesh as he is going to speak about liquid nitrogen.
Liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is prepared by extremely cooling nitrogen gas. Its temperature remains below minus 197 degrees centigrade. Thank you.
So thank you Nilesh for certain informations. So what I believe, ये भाषण छोड़ने नहीं वाला. The demonstration of the experiments is very important. So give a big round of applause for Ankita as she is going to demonstrate the experiment.
Now I am dipping this flour into the liquid gas.
Yes, sir.
Big claps.
Yeah.
Ankita, could you please proceed again to make them listen the crunch?
क्या कौन सा गाना?
Claps to encourage them.
ठीक है रुकिए नहीं तो यार कीजिए मैं देखूँगी.
So, is there anyone who wants to try these smoky biscuits? Anyone? Please come. One. From the parents. No, that's all. From the parents one. Anyone?
हाँ सर.
From the parents. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
हाँ ठीक है.
How is it?
हाँ अभी मैं देख रही हूँ कुछ बाद में बात करते हैं ना.
आता है जो मेले में कि हम सोचते हैं कि है क्या स्मोकी बिस्किट, लेकिन through this experiment we come to know that the smoky biscuit is nothing but this nitrous gas why we are using in our daily basis. Thank you, children.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So, formally, I will let you all know that nitrogen how we बनाता है. So here I have a brinjal, one brinjal, and I will be dipping it. So here I have a fully gentle balloon. So let us try what happens to it. Thank you for the participation, parents. So जब तक ये सब हो रहा है, why not? So the science behind it. As my friend Nilesh mentioned about liquid nitrogen, one of its characteristics is that it dehydrates any of the materials and the behind left moisture it converts into ice. So all of us know what happens to an ice cube when you break it. A very rustly and crunchy sound. Thank you. This is done. So let us try. What happens to this brinjal? The brinjal has become so hard by just little amount of liquid nitrogen. So think what will happen is if there will be a vast amount of liquid nitrogen. So we tried with this hard material and it took 2 to 3. But if at home, if we take a normal brinjal, we can just cut it with one cut. So now we have a balloon. So let us try what happens with the balloon. Please dip. अरे ये balloon तो पूरियां जैसा बन गया भाई. It has squeezed fully and it's looking like a kachori puri. Clap for this experiment. Applauses. Thank you very much. So we all of us got about vegetables and other materials. What will happen with H2O? Water. Let us try. The water part, please. Cloud smokes. Anyone from the students who would like to come? Just 1 or 2. Thank you, that much. Try to hold it. Right. Is it coming in hand? No, don't touch. Is it cold? How is it? Great. Good. Great. So thank you very much, children. Please take your places. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let her try. She's a giant. How is it, Mama? Good. Good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So let us see what happened with the water.
7.